Our boys got a rear main seal job today. Gonna take off. We got the pump out the way. We're gonna back up the bolts over here. Get to that. Bring it out. Our boys, we got the back ones out. Working on these last ones over here. Drop it. Drop it, drop it. Strip down. I see that. Oh, we're almost there now. Just loosen those up right there. Put my locker on bullet, boys. Come in with the small one. Sorry, pretty loose. I can. That's it. Sorry, broke them loose, boys. I'm just gonna finish torque. Almost there. So we rocked it. And that's it. That's it. Ah. There we go, boys. We got it open. That's where it sits at right there. I'm gonna take that bad boy off. Throw the new one. Light work. Y'all can see where it's been leaking all down the bottom right there. Alright, boys, I'm about to put y'all on. Sure some of y'all already know, but here's a quick tip on how to take the rear main out. What we doing, boys? What we doing? Clean this bad boy out while we in here. That's as good. That's as good as it's gonna get. That's what I have to do. I'm gonna find out real quick. Grease my best friend. Me and Grease get along. Little love tap. There it goes. Go in there, boy. Alright, boys, we got the new one in there. All nice and lip sealed. It remain fixed. Go ahead and put everything back. Alright, we got the heavy ass piece back on. We got the bolts on here to start it. We're gonna go ahead and put my other part. Cover it, put the pump back on, get it running, make sure there's no more leaks. Secured. Last but not least, right before the pump. Get all them bad boys. Yes, sir.